Rusty from Dingo Power here. I've got a TX1000 Turbo that's giving us a little problem. The greaser on the pivot for the attachment plate is not taking grease. The reason why is the bushing that's inside has rotated. The groove is not lined up. So we've got to knock these pins out. I'm going to have my assistant Chad here take a socket and a hammer, and they're not moving. We've tried and tried and tried, but we cannot get them to move. So I'll show you how to get them out. Okay, so we're adding a little bit of heat to this. Don't need to get crazy, I don't believe. Now it'll come right out. The reason why that pin gets stuck, it's a tapered pin and it's wedged into the arm and it doesn't move on the arm side. But this side is where the bushing is and it moves. So a little bit of corrosion on that pin and it'll stick in that arm and it's not coming out without a little bit of heat. So thanks for watching. Check us out at dingopower.com for any of your parts needs. Give us a call or shoot us an email if you have any questions. Thank you.